The keto diet is hot right now, and this is 10 best keto products that you've got to have. Number 1 is Purely Optimal Keto BHB Advanced Formulation. Manage cravings, boost mental clarity, extra strength formula, premium quality, GMO free, 100% natural ingredients, is third-party certified. Number 2 is Vital Nutrition Pure Keto Diet Advanced Weight Loss. Ideal for both men and women. Number 3, Keto Burn. Number 1 recommended by specialists, bestseller, GMO-free, Lux supplement. Number 4, coffee lovers, you're gonna love this. Boss Coffee, flash brew, ready to drink, only 10 calories per can, keto friendly, is Japanese canned coffee drink, gluten free, sugar free, dairy free. This is perfect. Number 5, if you're just starting out on the keto plan, or if you plan to be an expert on this is still perfect for you. It's a meal plan created by certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs. This meals is going to help you with your goals. It's a nutritional plan with a variety of food to ensure that you're going to stay on that diet. You're going to stick with it. It's meals that are based on personal food preferences to make your diet enjoyable and for you to stay on track. 8-week fully customized keto meal plan for your weight loss goals and food preferences. You get a downloadable shopping list each week, detailed recipes every day to reach your goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way, and this is what we want. The link is going to be listed below for you to start this out. Melt Fat Fast Keto Diet. Number 6, MCT oil. Now, this is not just any MCT oil. This has great reviews. It's certified keto friendly. It's got numerous benefits for your health, weight loss, metabolism increase, all-day energy, brain and heart support, blood sugar control. Again, great reviews. Just add 1 tablespoon to like your coffee, a smoothie, even a salad. And it's just a perfect blend for any drinks and food. Number 7, Omega Power Creamer. I mean, this right here is awesome. Wait till you hear all the benefits.
Hey, thanks for stopping by. My name is Nick, and I'm the founder and creator of Omega Power Creamer. So you're probably wondering, what is Power Creamer? Power Creamer is a liquid, blendable, high-fat coffee creamer. It was designed to eliminate sugar and add high-quality, healthy fats to your diet. So the Power Creamer is made with 3 simple ingredients: grass-fed ghee, organic coconut oil, and MCT oil. Grass-fed ghee comes from the most nutrient-dense part of the milk. It commonly contains fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, E, D, K, K2, omega-3s, and CLA. Next is organic coconut oil. Not only does it have amazing taste and tremendous flavor, but it also helps with antiviral, antifungal, and it keeps you feeling full, keeps you feeling satiated. Lastly, MCT oil is what puts the power in Power Creamer. MCT oil is a supplement that's commonly used by athletes, biohackers, entrepreneurs, and high achievers to add energy, mental clarity, and focus to their diet. So we've combined all these awesome ingredients all into one bottle. So Power Creamer comes in 4 unique flavors: the original, the vanilla, the cacao, and cinnamon. So the original and the cacao are unsweetened, and the vanilla and cinnamon are sweetened with stevia. Stevia is a great all-natural sweetener that's not going to spike your blood sugar or have any harmful or detrimental effects. If you're like me, you like a little bit of sweetness in your coffee. Vanilla is my all-time favorite. It's also the fan favorite. So if this is your first time trying out Power Creamer, I suggest you go with vanilla. So you might be wondering, is this product for me? Or who is this product for? So Power Creamer is really for anybody wanting to improve their morning, get some high quality, healthy fats into their diet. It's perfect for people on the keto, paleo, low carb diet. It's sugar-free, preservative-free, carb-free. It's basically just an all-natural, really healthy latte mix. So lastly, I want to talk about how do you use it. So it's pretty simple. Power Creamer is a liquid creamer that you simply just shake up before you use it, pour out into your coffee, blend it up, and you have a delicious, healthy latte. So now that you know how to make Power Creamer, just a little bit more about it. There's 20 servings in every bottle. So for about $1 a day, you can get a healthy, energizing latte with no sugar, no carbs, none of the stuff that you really hate. All these ingredients that you can't pronounce, we keep those completely out of there.
And number 8 is Keto Girl. This is another great supplement to be added into your keto diet plan.
Keto Girl Ultra Keto Pills are specialized supplements made to support women on the ketogenic diet. It helps the body get into ketosis state with no side effects by shifting metabolism and introducing 100% natural exogenous ketones into the body. This product helps burn fat for energy, encouraging overall weight loss in all areas of the body. Additionally, Ultra Keto Pills aid in reducing daily cravings, which keeps the body in ketosis by maintaining a keto-friendly diet. This strong potency is formulated with high absorption BHB salt ingredients to boost energy and promote brain health, giving you the strength to push through your workouts regularly. Each bottle contains 120 capsules, which is one of the highest capsule counts on the market. With 0 additives and no bad taste, this product is perfect to keep up with every day. Make your journey simple this time around with this easy-to-swallow pill and say no to excuses. Work out regularly, maintain a healthy diet, and let Keto Girl do the rest.
Yeah, this is just another great supplement to add, especially for women. And it's just got so many great benefits, as you just heard. And it's going to help boost heart health, manage those cravings, easy to swallow, and no side effects. You just got so many great benefits that's going to be all in this one supplement. And of course, it's got a great story. Number 9, you got to have those test strips. This is really going to help you know when you're in ketosis. And number 10 is a 5-blade vegetable slicer. This is just going to be great for preparing those recipes and those meals for that keto plan. And you're going to get 4 ebooks. Well, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and right here in just 10 minutes you've learned the 10 best keto products for your diet, and all of the links will be listed below if you're interested in any of these products, and I would definitely go check them out, and subscribe and give it a thumbs up for more videos. Thank you.